All right, we're doing the Mazama Pyroclastic Porter. Kind of hard to read there.
Yeah,
so
like a pyroclastic flow.
Okay, yeah. We got a little volcano on there. 5.0% alcohol. It's a porter. They're from Corvallis, Oregon. Jesus Christ. Got major foamage already. Oh yeah, look at that dark color. That head grows fast.
Yeah.
You're gonna overflow on that.
Yeah.
I only poured that much in there.
Rich brownish looking head.
Mm-hmm. Very caramel looking.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, it smells nice and roasted.
Mm.
Very sweet.
Yeah, this real light, sweet coffee.
Yeah, pretty much. Kind of a mocha.
Mm-hmm.
Damn.
Yeah.
You want more? Or?
No, I can't even drink this yet.
Yeah, the head is very firm. That is not going down at all.
Well,
damn.
If I could do this again, I would just say drink it out of the bottle.
God, look how thick that is. Okay, I got a good drink there.
I got sort of a drink.
That's a nice, crisp, clean, roasted.
Yeah, real
flavor.
roasted. Yeah. Lingers real roasted. Tiniest bit chocolate.
The aftertaste kind of, it's like a dark chocolate, like you just ate a piece of dark chocolate.
Yeah, it's definitely nice. It's real light up front.
Yeah, it is. Put some in my mouth and it foams.
Yeah. I mean, it's a nice rocky head, you know, lots of dextrin in the beer and everything.
Well,
I mean,
yeah.
It's made well, but Jesus
I've
H.
never drinking
Christ.
something out of the bottle with no foam and it turns into foam in my mouth.
Like, yeah, no shit. You just
that's
like dump a bunch of fucking pop rocks in it. It's foaming up in the bottle right now. Yeah, I like that lighter aspect up front.
Oh, yeah.
It's pretty good. Yeah, it'd be kick-ass with like some roasted beef or something.
Oh, pot of chili. Real spicy.
Yeah.
This will add to it.
Yeah, chili would be real good with it.
Oh, hell yeah.
Some of that prime rib stew we were talking about.
Yeah. This would be good with some like earthy type of stuff, like some of the greens, like asparagus.
This into a brown sauce with some wild mushrooms. Be good with winter vegetables like rutabagas and stuff like that.
Oh, yeah.
Very good.
This would be very good with venison small steaks or something.
Yeah,
like steak
peppered.
bites. Yeah.
Peppered.
Something very gamey like elk or buffalo or something like that.
Yeah.
Cut through that sharp flavor.
Nice ground buffalo or something. Would be
Yeah.
good. Charbroil off some beef, just nice and peppered, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah, pepper stuff would be great. Bacon would be great.
Yep, green
Anything
peppercorns and yeah.
Or smoked. Anything smoked would be good with this, but dessert-wise, I would love like a lemon something. Lemon pie or lemon cake or something that's got like a tart to it that this would kind of cut through.
Yeah, lemon would be good. I think it would be good with just like bittersweet chocolate mousse or you know, some other. It'd be good with something hazelnutty too, or like some Frangelico cheesecake or something.
Yeah, oh yeah,
You know,
cheesecake for sure.
Some kind of our hazelnut chocolate, kind of like, you know, Nutella sort of flavor. Yeah, it's good.
Oh hell yeah!
Except for the foam, the flavor is great.
Yeah, the foam is just
Foam's a pain in the ass.
throws me off, but
Yeah, it's annoying.
I'm trying to be slow about this.